How to see blocked accounts on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to find the accounts you blocked on TikTok. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video and let's get started. First of all, when you open TikTok, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon on the upper right corner, the three lines, and here tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, then you should have to tap on the privacy option on the second number, and here scroll down a little bit, and here you can see blocked accounts option on the third number from the bottom. So tap on this and here you will see all your blocked accounts, all the accounts you have blocked on TikTok. So here you can unblock it if you want. So that's the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.